Zach, do you want to intro this? This is for the.
Sure. What is it?
This is the tile mate we're looking at. So you just say, "Hey, this is Zach here with Toasty DIY."
Hey, this is Zach. I don't know what's going on, but something about a tile.
Something about a tile. All right. So what I've got is the tile mate. I've hidden my keys in here, and I've hid them on that couch over here. I'll rotate this around so you can see the couch.
Oh, I see what's going on.
Couch over here, and I've hidden it, and now I'm gonna, use the little tile app to beep it and all that sort of thing. Zach, do you want to try to find the keys in the couch? How long it takes you?
Knowing you probably put it in a stupid place because you're dumb. You actually hit this one good, bro.
You can always turn on the light if you wanted.
Where did you put it? Okay, I failed. Wait, I found something.
That's a wire for the setup.
I didn't do it. Jack, don't kill me. Alright, I can't find it. I give up. Wait, what are you
There's a little bit back there. See, this is why you need a tile. So let's talk about why we need a tile. So that took him a little bit to find. Had he used the tile that was on it, it would have just beeped and he would have known exactly where it is. So that's kind of the goal and why you want a tile, because if in the first place you didn't know it was in the couch, that may take you forever to find. So the idea behind the tile is that it's just a little bit right here. Tacks onto your phone, wallet, keys, wherever you want to do it. And when I tap it, so you just tack it onto your phone, wallet, or keys, whatever you want. When you tap the little button, it'll beep. And if you want to, you can tap it, I believe it's twice, and it'll go ahead and ring your phone. So if you've lost your phone, but you have your keys, you can locate the other half. It uses a system network of tiles. So what you can do is if your tile goes missing and someone else who has one, for instance, if you lost your phone and I go walking by it, my tile system will detect yours and go ahead and send you an updated location of your keys, wallet, or whatever it is that you've lost. The tile that I have currently is the Tile Mate. There's other versions. I think they just launched a Pro one, and I don't really know what the differences between them are, but currently for my needs, this just helps me track my keys. I tend to not leave them in the cup when I get in the door at home. I just kind of set them down randomly, and it causes me to lose them. So for me, this fits the perfect function I want it for. It was cheap. I think it was under $30. I think we did it in a roundup, cheap tech under 30, so you can take a look at that. Yeah, I've got some unboxing footage I'll just play right now. And the packaging for it's pretty sweet. It looks a lot, very Apple in design, nice and sleek little box. Real cheap, really easy. It doesn't take long to set up. You literally just bring it next to your phone with the app, tap a little thing, and you're good to go. I'm trying some different walking around outside, trying to gimbal out. I don't know if this format will look better or whatnot, so excuse any car noises you hear. But overall, if you're just looking for a way, if you're somebody who just loses things all the time, like myself, it's like adding Find My iPhone to all your devices. It just makes it way easier to keep track of them. And I've definitely been saved by it a couple times, been earlier to work than I would have been had I not had it. So if you're looking at getting one, I'll have a link in the description below. And thank you for watching. Peace.